This is for our ongoing class, and we're working on a song by ear. Let's twist again. We're just doing the first stanza, and we have the 1, 4, 5 and the relative minor, and we're going to be doing it in all 5 ukulele-friendly keys during this session. But today we are doing the key of C and the key of D, and we are modulating between those 2 keys using the A7 chord to get us from one neighborhood to the other. This is our tempo, 120, a rock beat. 1, 2, 3, let's twist again like we did last summer. Let's twist again like we did last year. Do you remember when things were really humming? Let's twist again.